Hello, everybody. Welcome to another Mandamus lawsuit. We're going to talk about Mandamus lawsuit filed after 3-year USCIS green card delay. Mandamus, the legal remedy for immigration delays. All right. So this lawsuit was filed in the Southern District of Florida. And here are the two plaintiffs. And then they named a couple of U.S. entities as defendants. And here is the complaint for mandamus and declaratory judgment. The plaintiff hereby sues all these defendants. And it looked like he filed a I-130 and 485 at the same time. This is an action to compel defendants and those acting under them to take all appropriate action immediately to issue a decision. So it looks like they filed an I-130. They haven't received a decision yet to issue a decision. On their pending forms, I-130, which is the immigrant petition for alien relative, which is their filing for a spouse, and I-485, application to register permanent residency or adjustment status. It looks like they filed it at the same time. It looks like they properly and concurrently filed by plaintiffs. Okay. And they have yet to receive a decision on their petitions, despite multiple inquiries over the past 3 years. Petitions have been pending for almost 36 months and counting. So they say that there is median processing time published by USCIS website. There is a website here, and you can go take a look to see what the current processing times are. But they're saying that the median time when they filed this lawsuit was for the I-485 was around 12.9 months, and the I-130 for U.S. citizen filing for spouses is 10.2 months. I did go and take a look at this website, but it does look like right now for I-130 for a spouse is about 14 months. I mean, it seems like it's keeps going up. This plaintiff on I-130 has been pending for 26 months beyond the normal processing times, whereas a plaintiff's I-485 has been pending for over 24 months beyond the normal processing times. All right, so let's take a look. So again, this is the venue, and again, these are the parties. So it looks like there's one petitioner on a form I-130. He filed for a spouse, and then we have. So here's some background information. At the times filing these petitions was a U.S. lawful permanent resident, but upon becoming a naturalized U.S. citizen, he sent correspondence to USCIS enclosing a copy of his naturalization certificate and requesting that Form I-130 be upgraded to be filed as a U.S. citizen by a U.S. citizen. So basically, I guess he was a green card holder, right? Lawful permanent resident, LPR, and then he filed an I-130 for a spouse, but then and during that time, he became a U.S. citizen, and then he upgraded it to sending the copy of the naturalization certificate and requesting that the Form I-130 be upgraded to be filed as a U.S. citizen. Okay, so here are some of the causes of action. It says that he filed Form I-130 for alien relative for a spouse, and it's been pending for 36 months. And what he wanted them to do is just to compel the defendants to render a decision. So, what kind of decision? Just wanted to render a decision on his Form I-130 petition. And the other plaintiff filed I-485 application register permanent residency, right? And it's been pending for 36 months. So they're also seeking to compel defendants to make a decision on this long pending I-485 without any further delay. All right, let's just take a look. So here it says, although there are no statutory deadlines for rendering a decision on a Form I-130 and I-485 application, there is a non-discretionary duty to take such action with a reasonable period of time. So what is reasonable? Generally, in determining what is unreasonable, the courts may look at a variety of factors, including congressional guidance, what is considered reasonable, internal operating procedures established for agency processing times in similar cases, the sources of delays and facts of a particular case. So basically, same thing as the other ones. They were having some delays and they filed a mandamus lawsuit. Well, thank you for listening. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, so I know to bring you more mandamus lawsuits. Thank you very much for listening today.